everybody, it's Zachary with LA Thrift Junkie. How are you doing today? I am here with a new type of haul today. So I keep hearing about Boutique by the Box, and I go, and honestly there's not a whole lot left. They're always sold out. But I found Revolve Prince Peter t-shirts, and I sell a lot of graphic t-shirts, so I thought, hey, why not give them a try, see what it's all about, and maybe I can catch some better bundles or boxes once they come up available. So I paid $250 for this. I think it was $15. No, I think maybe the shipping wasn't included. I'm not positive of that, you guys, but it wasn't much more if it's not included. And I got 50 shirts. And so these are all supposed to be kind of like fun graphic tees. This is one of them back here, Wham one. I actually already have it listed, and I'm going to show you what I got in this box, you guys. So the first thing is just a fun little rainbow t-shirt with a lightning bolt in the center. It is a size medium, and it's like just a regular feminine t-shirt. Now, some of these come in plastic bags. I won't be taking those out right now because I have so many of these shirts, but I'm going to show you all the ones that was loose. And they did come a little bit wrinkled, which I hate to steam, but it is what it is. Okay, so this one right here is Girls Bite Back. That's funny. So Girls Bite Back. It's a size small. It's black, and it also feminine kind of cap sleeve cut. And sorry, you guys will see me folding each one of these because I don't want to have to steam any more than I have to. Okay, so here's another little fun one. This one actually has the tag, so the other ones didn't have the tags. It says Babes Support Babes. It's a white t-shirt in a size medium. Also the feminine regular cut with the cap sleeves. And that one is quite wrinkled. So you gotta have to put a little bit of work maybe into their boxes to get them up listed, or at least these. Because this one is also very wrinkled. And it says class of 95. And who do we have in here? I think this is Clueless, right? I don't know, you guys. I wasn't a 90s baby. By then I had a 4-year-old child. But I think this might be the Clueless gang, if not. But it's a raglan tee, meaning, well, not really raglan. I guess I shouldn't say that. Ringer tee. So it has the contrasting trim. This is like butter soft, just a little bit different than the others, but the same type of cut. Also new with tags. And you guys, let me see. I didn't look to see. It just gives the style number and all that, but it doesn't tell how much they cost. When I looked them up, they were normally $54 to $64. And when I first got this box, things were selling for $25 to $35 on Poshmark. And now, because of the live sales, which it is what it is, I'm going to ignore their prices. They've been selling them for $8 to $12 because honestly, it's probably going to be hard to sell these in an auction, right? They're kind of like personality based, but I'm going to try it, and I'm going to start mine off at a little bit higher than that, and then just put them up for sale if they don't sell. It'll be a good way to show everybody what I have. So this one says, thank you next. So a good breakup shirt, right? Super funny. It's also new with tags. It's a size extra small. Okay, regular length. There's some I noticed in here that are cropped and some that kind of have like a raw edge. So that's why I'm saying regular length. Okay, this one says less Angeles, more York. So less Los Angeles and more New York. I think that's a pun on the two West Coast, East Coast kind of, you know, rivalry vibe. It's a size extra small and a women's, and it's new, but no tag. Okay, this one looks cool. I don't think I've opened this one. What are you? Back in New York. I recognize this person. I had to look it up. Is that like the Cult, or it's somebody? I think it's a punk rock band. Not positive. This one is new without tag. Regular length once again. And it's a size what? It looks like it says a size Y. Okay, down here in the other area we have it. That's very strange, you guys. So look at these t-shirts. I don't know, it must be this size, right? Because it's got it marked out, but that makes no sense. So it looks like it's a size large to me. It says, they say it's a size small. I'm going to have to do measurements and see. And again, I think that's some kind of like Cult, maybe literally the Cult band. We have another one of those Thank You Next t-shirts in a size small. Also very wrinkled. Okay, here's one that's super cute. Look at that. Yeah, that one will sell well. So rock and roll with the lips on it. And it is new with tag and a size large. So I wonder if that one was like a sample or something. It had a really weird... Okay, and we have another one of the, oops, the daisy. Another one of the Thank You Next t-shirts in a size small. Here we have the first kind of cropped t-shirt. It's Def Leppard, or is it? Let me see. It says, Long Live Rock and Roll. So not Def Leppard, but kind of looks like it, doesn't it? And it has like a little raw hem on it, new with tag, and a size extra large. I'm an extra large. Not an extra large. Extra large if it's skin tight, maybe. Okay, the next one is a tank top. I didn't get very many of these, and I'm kind of thankful because I don't sell a lot of tank top. But this is like somebody that likes like the zodiac signs, this kind of vibe to it, right? Gypsy, hippie, those kinds of vibes. And it's kind of got these like, see how the sleeves are or the straps are. This one is also new with tag, and I don't see a size immediately. Yeah, it's got another one of those weird, and you can't even see it, tags. So I would say this is overstock stuff that probably never even went out on the floor wherever they sell this, or online if it's Revolve. Okay, so we have one of these up for sale, and I have a few of these. It's Alexa, Bring Me Wine, and it's a size small. New without tags. Sorry, you guys, I know I'm going quickly, but there's so many of these. So apologize if I'm not making eye contact. That's why. Okay, so this is Femme Feline. Okay, so super cute little crop top, new with tag, in a size extra small. This is the same size as that extra large earlier. Okay, we have another one, class of 95, a little bit different. Those are the Clueless girls for sure. The ringer tee. And it is a size, yeah, it even says Clueless in a size small. Taking pictures of all these today. Oh my goodness, I've got a lot to take pictures of, don't I? And I'm like not very far into the haul. Say, God Save the Queen. I'm not even going to go there. As soon as I saw it, I'm like, is that a song? Or I think it's like from the Queen of England. I don't know. We know she just passed. So this is a muscle shirt, black. It's got that gold foil print on it. It is new with tags, and it's really cool looking. It's a size small. So I really like that one myself. None of these, no matter what size they are, is not fitting me. Just so you guys know. So I imagine it might be more like a smaller juniors brand. Look at the cute puppies. Boston Terrier and a pug is what I'm guessing. Okay, and this is a size small, brand new with tags. I need to be closer to my desk over here, you guys. I'm retching. Okay, so what do we have here? So this is another muscle one. It says Wildcat on it. And it has a pocket on it. Okay, so you know, you put your cigarettes in there. I mean, I don't know. I'm just saying. Kind of a rough and tumble lady. And it is like ribbed almost, like a really lightweight ribbing. It doesn't have a size tag on it. Oh, wait, maybe it does. It's got a tag inside. Maybe I need to check those others. Maybe the tags are inside of them. So this says it is a size small. And unfortunately, it says cost value $16 on it, which is not very good for resale, right? When it says it's new with tag, it really shouldn't be new with whatever the heck that tag is, especially when it's supposed to be Revolve. Okay, here is another real cute one. Look at the puppy. Another Boston Terrier, new with tags. See what size it is. A size small. A size small that looks like a size large. I'd say the sizing is off on this brand. That'd be my guess. This is so soft and very cute. Oh, so hippie. Look at it. It's the moon, the earth, and the sun all holding hands. And it says Bonafide Hustler. So Bonafide Hustler. That's super cute. New with tag. Love this fabric. So, so comfy. I don't know if we even care what size they are. They all fit a size small to medium, in my opinion. If you see one you like, let me know. I'll gear you towards it in my store. So USA 1984. This is probably going to be a hard sell. Maybe I'm wrong. It's a size medium. It's just a plain old t-shirt. Okay, this one says feminist on it. Just a plain white t-shirt, quite wrinkled. Has new with tag, and it says it's a size small. Looks like it's more like a medium or a large. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is the same one as the other one, but it's just a little bit different color. So long live rock and roll with the Cheeto in front. It's got the raw hem, as you'll see. New with tag, terribly. It even has like, you know, I think that's probably on purpose because it's kind of here and there and all over. And even if it isn't, it's really cool looking. And this says it's an extra large, you guys. And I would say close to being an extra large anyways. I have a look today, you guys. I'm looking at myself in this camera. Maybe that's why I'm not making eye contact. I gotta look at myself. I'm in a hurry, you guys. I can't be cute. Not today. Here we have another Wham tank top. This should do really well. Look at those beautiful collars. It's brand new with tag. It's like an oversized high-low fit. It says it's a size small, probably so. Okay, let's see what else we have. I'm gonna go just through a few more. This one, if this was my daughter's size, she'd be getting this for Christmas. Sassy since birth, and it is a little wrinkled, brand new with tag. It is a size extra, extra small. Extra, extra small. Nobody in my family has the girls to wear extra small, I'm just saying. Okay, here we have another one of the Alexa Bring Me Wine. It's a size large. Oh, here's one that says Fearless Female on it. Fearless Female. Kind of got like the camo on it. It's new with tags. And it is a size extra large. Another one of the same we had before with the cute little puppies. Brand new with tag and a size small. All of a sudden, I'm just throwing them up there, not trying to fold them. I mean, heck, I've got to steam all of them anyway. Okay, this one, I'm not sure if this is a band. It says, rock hard sounds from the underground, but there's people inside there. So I don't know if that's just for show or that's an actual band, because I swear this one over here looks like Ozzy. I don't know. Okay, and this is a size, oh, it's another one of those. Look at this, you guys. So this is marked out, that's marked out. Really, I'm not flipping you off. I don't know what size it is. I would guess a medium or a small. Okay, so the rest of them are in bags. I'm gonna leave them in there. This one says vote. It says it's an extra small. This one says Lost Dreams. It has a little unicorn on it. And something magic on the bottom. It says size small. This one is Mean Girls. I can't tell what size it is, but it's a Mean Girls t-shirt. No idea. It's got bones on it, I can tell you that. There's some bones on it. It's a size large. Sorry if this is boring. I just don't want to take them out on camera. This one says running late is my cardio. That's super cute. And it's a size extra large. Here we have another one of the kind of like leopard tiger. This is actually a tiger, not a leopard. So it says Duran Duran on the front of it. That's good. That's what I thought I was getting. I thought I was getting all band tees. Boy, was I surprised. I can't see what size it is, you guys, because I saw a lot of band tees. Here we have another one, just like the other one. And it's a size large. Oh, and we have another one, just like the other one. And this one's in a size, so weird. You guys, that one does not have a size on it. Okay, this one says, what? I don't know. It's another bone t-shirt. It says cross-dresser distress sleeve with pockets, small. We'll see what it is when we open it. Here we have one that's a Statue of Liberty. It says New York on it. It's got really pretty colors on it too. Even the ones in the bags are a little wrinkly. So I'm not going to blame boutique in a box. I'm going to blame probably the manufacturer, how they stored these things. Size large. This one is another one of the ones that says Bonafide. It has like the moon sun on it design. And it's a size large. Okay, just a few more, you guys. About 10 more. Okay, this one is another one that I don't know that's got like the bones on it. We'll see what it is when we open it on camera. Size extra small. Another one that says Vote. No size that I can see. It's probably down in the armpit. We have another one of those. You know what? Let's just open this up. Now I'm interested. I've got 3 of them. I hope they're good. What do we have here? Oh, cross-dresser. It literally says cross-dresser. All right, then. I mean, I know what a cross-dresser is, and I'm okay with it. But I'm sure it's like a band or something, right? Okay, and this is super cool looking. This is a police t-shirt. Yay! Again, this is what I thought I was getting. So I'm super excited to get any of the band tees. This one says Phoenix Festival on it. And it's a size extra large. This one says Too Much Candy. Dirty, extra large. So I don't know. Okay, now I got my interest piqued, you guys. This is gonna be a short little video. So let's just open it up and see what the heck it is when it says dirty. I mean, it doesn't, I don't think it means like the shirt's dirty. I think, oh, it is, it does. It actually means it on purpose though. So it's very cool. Too Much Candy Sweet. And then it kind of like, it's tea-dyed, right? So it's meant to look all grungy and it's more unique. This is a higher quality than the rest of them. And look, it has a different tag too. Okay, brand new with tag. And then we have one more, and then I'm gonna wrap this up, you guys. This one looks fun. I've gotta open it. Dad's wanted. I should have opened all of them. Made this video longer, right? So, how unique. Ice cream. And I think it's supposed to be for ice cream, right? Ice cream for ice cream. Whatever, somebody is gonna want this. They're gonna have to have it. It's kind of cute, ugly. It's also one of those, like kind of got like distressing on it. New with tag. I don't see a size on it. But let's end it at that, you guys. So this is Boutique by the Box, Prince Peter, 50 t-shirts for around $250. I'm sure I'll make a profit on it. I'm not worried about that. But I'm excited to see what else I can find on there available in the future to kind of get like maybe some brands that I'm more aware of and, you know, might sell a little bit quicker. These will be fun. I hope that they'll be fun for like Christmas or something like that since they're new. But I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.